Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Today I'm going to share with you the best deals I got over at Walmart as well as Target for the week. I did that last week and you guys seem to like it. Walmart is actually pretty slow this week. I went shopping today. Today is Tuesday when I'm filming this. But Target is still amazing. So I'm excited to share both stores' deals with you guys. Just a couple quick housekeeping things. If you are new to the channel, welcome. So glad you all are here. I'm Christina and I share money saving deals and tips on my channel, and I am happy to have you all. Also, I'm getting really close to 15,000 subscribers and I'm gonna do something fun when I get there. I'm just not sure what that's gonna be, so help me get there and I will do something to give back to you guys as well. Speaking of, I am currently hosting a $50 gift card giveaway. You can find all the details of that giveaway over in my Walgreens video that I posted this Sunday. So definitely check that out and get yourself entered to win a $50 gift card. I also shopped CVS this week, so if you're looking for some of the best CVS deals, definitely check out that video as well. Okay, let's start with Walmart. And I will walk you through each of these deals step by step. That way you can replicate them if you want to at home. Now, you'll see the cereal here. I actually didn't buy another bag of cereal, but the cereal deal is still good. So this bag right here, this big old bag of Multi-Meal cereal is priced at $5. There is currently a rebate on the ShopKick app, giving back $4.04 when you scan it and purchase it, making your final cost for that big old bag of cereal just 96 cents. Now, if you don't have the ShopKick app yet, you're gonna wanna grab it because there are so many amazing deals going on right now with ShopKick, both at Walmart and at Target. Grab it using my referral code SWC5 because you'll score an additional $5 when you scan that first receipt. Another ShopKick deal you wanna look for while you're in the store is on these crispy or crunchy cookie M&Ms. These are $1.64. I grabbed the big one. If you can find the smaller one, that's just 98 cents, it'll be a moneymaker for you. If you can only find the one that I found, which is $1.64, purchase that for that price at checkout, then submit your receipt to the ShopKick app for $1.24 back. So I paid 40 cents for this bag. Now, again, if you can find the ones that are the smaller size at 98 cents, that will make it completely free and a moneymaker after you submit to ShopKick. Now, a lot of people have asked me recently about ShopKick. Can I do the deal more than once? Well, so the thing is, you do the deal once, okay? You can only do it once per receipt, but oftentimes once your receipt processes and gives you the money back, the offer comes back. So if you see the offer come back again, you can absolutely do it again. You can just do it once per receipt. Then you have to wait and see if that offer pops back up in your app to be able to do it again. Speaking of, I did that with these kind frozen bars. So if you remember last week, I purchased these at Target. This week, I grabbed them at Walmart just to show you a different deal. Of course, you could do it at Target if you want to. These kind frozen bars are $5.47 at Walmart. Now, I had a $2 rebate on the Fetch Rewards app. I know other people have a $3 rebate. Mine was just $2. And then I submitted my receipt to the ShopKick app where I got $2.92 back. So after both of those cashback apps, it made my final cost just 55 cents. Now, like I said, if you're not a Walmart shopper and you want to do the deal at Target, you absolutely can. I think the Target price is a little bit more expensive. I think it's just short of $6. And then you would get the money back on Fetch as well as ShopKick. Okay, a freebie that anyone can grab is this Colgate Cavity Protection. This is 97 cents. That's what I paid at the register. I then submitted my receipt to the coupons.com app where I got $1 back, making it completely free and a 3-cent moneymaker. Now, the last deal I did at Walmart was on the Swag Bucks app. I do have a complete tutorial on all of these apps that I talk about. So if you're brand new to these apps and you want a complete walkthrough, check out my tutorials on my YouTube channel. But I got this Skinny Girl dressing at $1.98. I then submitted my receipt to Swagbucks where I got $1 back, making my final cost just 98 cents. Now, I actually did not do any Brand Club or Zardy rebates this week, so I can't speak to those. They just weren't good enough for me to want to use those apps this week. So that is truly all I got at Walmart. I, of course, have some pictures at the end of the video of things that I found on clearance while I was in the store. I found a couple of cute like jogger pants, like PJ jogger pants for $1. So that's actually a little bit more than 90% off. So I will include those pictures at the end of the video. Now I'm going to pause it and I'm going to put my ice cream away and then I'm going to tell you about the Target deals. The first Target deal I want to tell you about involves just the Target app. It's on this shampoo right here, Pure Zero. It's $5.99. Now there are two different coupons on the Target Circle app and they will both apply. One is a Target coupon for 40% off. The other is a manufacturer digital coupon for $3 off. So if you use both of those coupons on this item, you will end up paying just 59 cents total. So easy deal on some shampoo or conditioner at Target. Now, the remainder of these deals involve the Shopkick app. So you're gonna see some items that I purchased last week. I'm gonna tell you about them again because the deal actually got even better. Now, word to the wise, make sure you check your app before doing any of these deals because deals can change rapidly and I never know when they're gonna come, when they're gonna go, if they'll get better, if they'll get worse. So always double check your app. Make sure the deal is worth it for you before going and buying the items. Simplest one, I talked about this last week, is on the Heinz mustard or the ketchup. You can buy either one. I grabbed the mustard priced at $1.79, submitted my receipt to the Shopkick app where I got 600 points back, making my final cost completely free and a 61-cent moneymaker. Now, if you don't want to do the individual deal, you would rather do a bundle deal. Let me tell you an amazing bundle deal that got even better from last week. You want to grab these Claussen pickles. These are found in the refrigerated section. Then also grab a Heinz ketchup priced at $1.99. The pickles are $4.29. Ketchup is $1.99. And then pick up these Kraft cheese singles. Those are $4.39 at my store. No coupons needed. You will pay $10.67 at the register. Then submit your receipt for the bundle deal on Shopkick at 2,300 kicks back, which is equivalent to $9.20, making all three of those items $1.47, which is amazing. Since I bought these last week, we've actually done, I'd say hamburgers, but they're actually veggie burgers. I use that Morningstar Farms, and then like an Impossible Burger, that type of thing. Even though my husband would much prefer me use regular meat, we do a lot of veggie stuff in our household. Okay, so that was the bundle deal. It got even better from last week. An amazing deal on diapers that I talked about over on my Instagram earlier this week is on the Pampers plus the wipes. So here's the deal. Grab a pack of wipes priced at $2.19 and clip the 25-cent digital coupon. Then grab yourself a pack of Pampers diapers priced at $9.59. The price you will pay at the register is $11.53. My Shopkick currently has an offer for 3,000 kicks back, which is $12, making both items completely free and a 47-cent moneymaker. Amazing. Free diapers, free wipes. Not only was I able to do that deal, it did reset for me. Unfortunately, all of these wipes were gone. The next cheapest pack of wipes was like $6.40 some cents. And since I don't have a baby at home, it didn't make sense for me to pay extra for diapers and wipes when I don't really need them. Now in hindsight, I probably should have just snagged them and donated them. So if that offer is still around next time I pop into Target, I'm gonna grab them and donate them to a local women's shelter. Okay, let's talk about these Tide, Bounce, and Downy products. These are buy 3, get a $10 Target gift card, but there's also a Shop Kick offer. So let's talk about how the math works out. And I will warn you, my Shop Kick offer has not processed yet. I did do this shopping today, so I'll tell you more about that here in just a minute. I got this big old Downy, huge Downy, at $10.99. I also grabbed this big pack of Bounce at $10.99. And then this Tide Ultra with the Oxy odor, this is $12.99. Now, there were digital coupons on the Target Circle app that you want to clip. There was a $3 Target Circle for the Tide, a $2 for the Downy, and a $2 for the Bounce. So at checkout, you will pay a total of $27.97. But you bought 3 participating items, you're going to get a $10 Target gift card back. Okay, so already a great deal. Then submit your receipt to the Shopkick app with their laundry bundle. You're going to get back $5.80 there. Now, this is where I'm not sure if it's going to process or not. There was also a separate Shopkick offer just for this specific Tide of another $1.80. So I submitted for the bundle and for the individual item. Again, it hasn't processed yet. I can let you know down in the comments when and how it processes. But if both offers process, it would make it $10.37 for all 3 items, or just $3.45 per item. And we're talking about like $11 to $13 items down to $3.45. And I know a lot of people are brand specific with Downy and Tide. Now, don't forget, these are all Procter & Gamble products. So you can submit your receipt to the PG Good Everyday Rewards program and get points back for each of these purchases. You then can redeem those points for gift cards at places like Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, Domino's Pizza. So you get just a little bit more for your money, which is amazing. Okay, I think that was everything. Like I said, Target has some amazing deals. Walmart was a little slow. If y'all are finding some awesome Walmart deals, let me know down in the comments, because I just couldn't make anything good seem to happen over at Walmart this week. But hopefully when I wake up tomorrow, Wednesday, there will be some new offers in the app with some great deals that we can snag for the remainder of the week. Stay tuned to the end where you'll see the clearance pictures. Hope y'all have a fantastic week. Thanks.